In the era of Industry 4.0, for those who can overcome the gap between human genius and robotic precision, can seize upon the business opportunities of tomorrow. There are tons of software that can collect data for factories, but TMmanager does more than that. With its user-friendly dashboard, it can help you analyze data through visualization and respond to various situations by making the best decisions. All gathered information will help you understand the status of each robotic arm on the production line, so you can achieve efficient management and quickly respond to any issues. From individual workstations, each production line, to the entire manufacturing process, TMmanager can easily customize your very own dashboard. Through visualized information, intelligent analysis, and rapid deployment, we are closing the gap of digital transformation by linking data analysis and task execution. We aim to connect management decisions to machine operations, so you can take the lead and succeed among tomorrow's businesses in the era of Industry 4.0.